When it comes to home security, it's easy to get caught up in all the places to hide a camera, but the front door is where most of the action happens. The Ring Video Doorbell 4 gives you first-class home security features where it matters most. The Ring Video Doorbell 4's color pre-roll means you'll never miss any important interactions on your front doorstep. It will start recording before you even receive a motion notification on your phone, recording up to 4 extra seconds of color video. Great for keeping an eye on what happened before a package was delivered or other detected motion. And it works both during the day and at night with full color night vision. Two-way talk lets you communicate with whoever is on the other side of your door through your smartphone or compatible Alexa device at any time. Once they ring the bell, you'll be notified and have the option to speak directly to them in real time. For those times you're not able to have a conversation, quick replies work just like an answering machine for your front door, giving you a range of preset responses along with the ability for visitors to leave their own personal message with just a few taps. For those of us with existing Alexa smart homes, the Video Doorbell 4 fits right in. Alexa gives you full control over your front door vision and two-way talk, all with a voice command. If you're stuck in a meeting at home or just have your hands full, any nearby compatible Alexa smart display will give you full communication with your front door visitors for a truly hands-free interaction. With an Amazon Fire TV stick plugged into your TV, any front door visitors can be viewed directly on your TV with a simple voice command, without the need to scramble for the pause button and find your phone. For more help on the Ring Video Doorbell 4 or to find your perfect home security setup, pop by your local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.